Welcome guys. On this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new timeline on your PC. So I already did this on mobile. If you want to do it on mobile, please look for the other video. I'm going to leave it on the link below above so that you can actually do it. Now, for you to do this on your PC, now if your PC is open, just on this top area, you are going to see a plus icon. Click on that plus icon. Now, when you click on the plus icon, it's going to prompt you this particular section. So from here, you can actually scroll down and then you choose a particular category of timeline you want to appear on your X timeline. Now, I am going to choose, I think I already have technology, so I'm going to choose science. Now, when you choose science, go ahead, it should be updated. Let me go ahead and close this. So now if you swipe this area, right, click on the arrow area, you swipe. So when you swipe, you are going to see where it says science. So when you click on that, you are going to see every science related post, recent, old and new. So this is all I want to share with you. This is not actually a community, but this is rather a filtered category of posts. So X is going to display everything that is relating to science only in this particular timeline. So even though you refresh or you scroll down, you are going to see everything relating to X, probably apart from advert. This is an advert. Everything relating to science is all you are going to see on this particular area. So I hope this video is helpful. If you have further question, leave it on the comment section. And also, if you want to have that particular timeline appear next to your followers, all you need to do is to click on that plus icon and then you click on edit. Now you are going to move everything that is important to you to the section where you are going to have it above. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of this. Now you can see science is in front, and you can also add them back. Let's say the technology, I think I need it also. So I have technology and science. So you can also, let's click on done. You can also drag it, let's say below, and then technology will be above, or rather you bring technology backward. Right, so I think I'm okay with this. Once you're done, close it. It's going to automatically save, and you are going to see science is right here. So here, guys, is how to arrange your timeline and also how to add a new timeline to your homepage. So if this video helped, smash like, share with your friends. See you on the next one.